All right, Keansburg Beach. Let's do a time check. 6:39 p.m. Sunday. Nice laid-back vibes today. Let's go. This is a free beach. Yes, there's a free beach in Jersey Shore. And I had to double check that myself today. So we're walking on the free beach here in Keansburg, New Jersey, and you can see Manhattan across the way. You can see New York City, Verrazano Bridge. I don't know if you can see it in the camera exactly. Like what we're seeing right now is a little hazy. But yeah, this might be one of our new beach spots right here for the summertime. This is one of our new beach spots, I think. Pretty cool. We could come here and see Manhattan across the way and walk around on the beach. We did a live stream today, but I was on the other side over there, so I didn't realize that this part was free, which is super awesome. So let's walk on the beach, have a peaceful walk. I got the new bag for the little big guy, our Pocket 3 camera. Testing it out. So far, so good. Jersey Gardens yesterday, 50% off. I got an Adidas bag for our camera, the little big guys, star of the show. So far, it's good. I like to bring that up. It's a new gear, piece of new gear, and it's still experimental because it's the very first day we're really walking with it. So anyway, just had to talk about that real quick. Let's go. And if we hear music, I have to talk over it. I've been saying, let's go, and all that over the music because I kind of have to, like right here. But we're just going to try to just talk over the music now. And we have some salsa music, very cool. I DJ'd for 12 years. I know all about a lot of different genres of music that people like, and salsa is one of those. You can kind of just throw in the vibe anywhere if there's a Latin vibe at all in the crowd, and it works a lot of the time. So let's stroll around here, the beach, walk on the beach, and we might head up the amusement park. We'll probably head up that way in a little bit. But yeah, the beach is pretty awesome here. This is maybe one of those low-key spots for people. So yeah, you can see New York City if you can. I can see it right now. Hopefully you can see it's a little hazy, but I can see the Freedom Tower, the Verrazano Bridge. We got Brooklyn, Staten Island, and I've been at Coney Island and I've looked across the way, and I probably looked right here from there. So it's pretty cool. New York, New Jersey, neighbors. It's a little farther here than like Perth Amboy as far as Staten Island. Perth Amboy or Elizabeth from New Jersey to New York. But yeah, we have very close neighbors here, New Jersey, New York. So that's super, super cool. No humidity today. It feels very comfortable. It's about 80 degrees. So the weather is super nice today. A lot different than the weather we've been having before. Before we had a lot of thunderstorms going on. But right now, super calm, super cool. A lot of people out and about right now on the beach, enjoying the weather. But it's great to have a free beach. Okay, so we're going to take a walk up to the amusement park, which is this way. Let's go this way. I got my sneakers on. This might be a spot where I might start wearing some sandals. I don't know. Maybe. But this is pretty cool. This is like the beach walk. I guess rug. Non-rug. A lot of beaches have those rugs when you walk in. It's like a rug you can walk down, like a carpet kind of thing. But yeah, let's take a view of the beach. Definitely a cool spot, cool spot. Okay, let's stroll up this way. Let me turn around here so we can see the beach again. So yeah, New York City right there. Keansburg, right across the water here from Keansburg. So that's super awesome. You know, that's got to be cool if you live right here, see these big apartments, condos, whatever they are, you can see across the water to the city. That is pretty awesome. That is super cool. I think that beats a lot of the Jersey Shore views as far as having a house or something at the Jersey Shore. You know, you might not get the same atmosphere as like Seaside Heights or Point Pleasant or something similar to that. I feel like I have sand in my shoes, and I might. Yeah, I think the sand got in the top of my shoes, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, part of the game. I'm gonna take the sand out of my shoes right now. I don't really have to stop anything to do it. Let's just do it. I think there's some sand here. You see the sand? A little bit of sand coming out. Not a whole lot, but definitely a little bit of sand. Catching this live, not live, but live right now. We're recording a 4K video. But let me switch to the other shoe. Part of the game. See, let's see what comes out. Yeah, a little bit of sand there. I don't want to get sand on the camera or anything like that. Got a little bit of sand in the shoes. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. Let's go. That's how we roll. Still a little bit in there, it feels like. I guess there's sand in my socks. Wow. It's okay. Okay, let's cruise. Let's go. Hi. Somebody said hello, I think.